This is not some bullshit ass full AI OFM course where I'm gonna open a fucking Canva or Figma and give you a general overview about how to do it. No, I'm gonna actually build an AI model and actually do it. I'm dead ass serious, guys. I bought a new phone specifically for this video. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna create my model, how I'm gonna launch my Instagram in a safe way, what content I'm gonna generate, how I'm gonna generate it, how I'm gonna get traffic, how I'm gonna go viral, all the way to getting my first fucking sub. And just so you know, I'm not full of shit. In the last 24 hours, we did almost 2.3k with a hybrid model. I'll put it on the last week, so you know I'm not full of shit. $9,000, and in the last month, $37,000. Now, you don't give a damn about any of this shit, because you are interested in launching a fully AI model. So these are some of my AI models. This is a new one, launched yesterday, did 45 bucks. Not so interesting. This one launched a while ago, only took serious a month ago, did $1,900 so far. This one launched 2 months ago, 8.4k. This one also launched 2 months ago, almost 3.5k. So let's get right to it. Now the first thing you're gonna need is obviously a mobile phone for your model. I'm gonna do this with an iPhone 14 because I got a really good deal from this in Thailand. It's a refurbished phone, but you can also do it with an iPhone 12. I've seen people do it with an iPhone 10, but I recommend doing a 12. Why? Because if you have an iPhone 6 or a really old shitty phone, you're already behind, bro, because every social media platform on planet Earth associate bots, spam behavior, AI shitty creators with cheaper phones. The dude in Pakistan with a phone farm running 50 Instagram accounts simultaneously is less likely to have a very expensive iPhone, right? So that's why you want to get a good iPhone. Get a 12 or up. Okay, so we got ourselves a phone. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go out there and we're gonna get a SIM card specifically for this phone.
And I know what you're probably thinking, like, Herman, we're 2 minutes into this video and you tell me to get a new phone and to go buy a SIM card. Like, I don't have money for that. I want to make $1 million without spending a cent. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Like, if anyone ever tells, if you see a YouTube video like I make $10,000 by doing this or by doing that, and oh, it's so easy, you don't need to invest a fucking penny. They're all full of shit. They don't know what you're talking about. Online business or real brick and mortar business, you need money to make it work. It's literally that fucking simple. I think until 2 years ago, I was working a shitty ass job in the military. I made 850 euros a month. Simultaneously, I was studying in university, business studies. All my money went directly to there. In the evening, when I came back, I got a second job at an accounting firm because I wasn't making enough money to pay my fucking rent. Still, I managed to build up a bank of $6,000, which I pumped into businesses, like drop shipping, all that shit. Didn't work. Worked some more, then I saved like $5,000. I pumped it into this, enough to pay my rent for a few months so I could quit my job, start this bullshit thing, and then I made it work. Now, I get it if you're from India or Pakistan or whatever, then it's maybe a bit more difficult for you, but for most of the people, man, if you're from the USA or from Europe, like, fuck you, man. You have such an unfair advantage to make this fucking thing work. If you're not willing to, like, invest into something that can be life-changing for you, then I seriously don't know how to help you, man. It's fucking freezing in here, man. Hello. I think wine here is best wine.
Wine Historia?
Yeah.
Georgian Historia.
Yeah, I didn't know, when I came here, I didn't know this was a wine country, but now I fell in love with it after I tasted the wine. I like it a lot.
Number 22?
Yeah. Please.
22.
All right. Thank you, sir. Here's a small tip for you.
Ooh.
Thank you so much. See you next time. No, for you, it's good.
Okay.
Bye-bye. And that's also something, like, I gave that guy literally $5 because he was just nice to me. He declined it 3 times. Like, what the fuck, man? Like, it was probably like the first thing that just dazzled my mind is when you start making money that, at some point you can just Apple Pay for everything and it doesn't really mean shit anymore to you. And then you do something, you give it to someone else, like a parent or like some random cab driver, and he is so happy, and that kind of makes you happy as well. Great. Thank you, bye-bye. Nice. Now, you'll probably watch one of those YouTube videos and then you have a guy telling you like, yeah, you need a fucking US SIM card with a US Proxy and a VPN and all this fucking bullshit. Bro, I travel the entire world. I'm in Georgia right now. I just bought a cheap local SIM card. and I can guarantee you I'm gonna hit 70% US traffic. Now, does that mean that having a US SIM card doesn't give you any benefits? Probably not. It will probably help you, but you don't need it. It's all in your content. If you follow Donald Trump, CNN, Fox News, the White House, all kinds of USA news outlets, you make a picture and she's wearing a USA flag bikini, you use an English caption, then Instagram isn't gonna show it to some random guy in India. It's gonna try to find people from the USA. If you tag a location in the USA, your girl's from Texas, you tag a restaurant in Texas, it's gonna find people in Texas. It's literally all in your content. You don't need a fucking US SIM card, guys. If you look at the hallway, then it looks like you're in some sort of heroin junkie crack hole. Then you go inside and it's actually pretty decent.